Hey everyone, so welcome to the new series of Amazing Gadget Buys Day 1. In this series, I'm going to show you some amazing gadget finds that can make people stop and say, wow, what is that? So in this episode, this is a gadget that we are looking at, the cool and tiny looking SSD enclosure from Dockcase. So here are the 5 things that makes this gadget an amazing buy. Number 1, this tiny device can replace your pen drives, hard disks and other storage device in just minutes. It is more convenient and cool looking than these devices any day. I mean, just look at it. I'm holding it in my palm like a bottle cap. People would definitely drop their jaws when they see it. Number 2, this amazing device weighs just around 100 grams and supports storage capacities reaching up to 2 terabyte. For starters, that's around 1300 high definition movies stored in one device. This tiny device can move your entire movie library into your pockets. Movie lovers are going to love this. Number 3, don't take this tiny device lightly. It is lightning fast when it comes to data speeds. We are talking about the capabilities reaching up to 10 Gbps. Truth to be told, I haven't saw that much speed on my Mac. But as you can see, it is more faster than any other storage device I have seen so far in my entire life. Number 4, this device is built like a mini tank both in and out. It is made up of aluminum alloy covering every part of it, and it is strong enough to nail every storage use case you throw at it. Not only the outside, this device also covers every protection standard from the inside as well. 3-second power loss protection, read-only mode, data loss protection, LCD with vitals display, the list just goes on and on. Number 5, it is a total head turner. Whenever I use this device around public, people just stop and ask me, what is it? Actually, this gadget made me to do this series because of that. Its 1.7-inch small display intrigues people, and when they came to know that it is actually a hard disk, I can see people raising their eyebrows instantly. 2 out of 4 people immediately did that, and it happens every time. So if you are looking for a gadget that's a head turner, this is it. So that's it for now, and stay tuned for more interesting gadget finds coming soon. Subscribe to my channel so you can't miss them.